You're so full, aren't you?
Do it some more.
Huh?
Do it some more.
Makes you running out of marshmallow.
You breathe loud.
Did you get my good sign down toilets, did you?
Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
Hi.
Is that a snack? Crunch.
Here, I'll do it. I'll do it. How do you ever click to him?
A little bit. I just kind of run. You don't clap at him.
I don't know. You acts like a dog everywhere.
Hey, Evie.
You act like a dog.
You want a treat? Come on. I hope we're not instilling.
His eye. It looks different now.
I see. Okay, enough. He's like, I see your carrots. I see them. Okay.
Come on.
Go with her. Go with her. I think you have to come with me. Don't prance too much, buddy. I'm gonna try to run it with him. Okay, Avery.
Whoa. He is so pretty.
See? You got it. Oh, he's fun. I hope I'm not instilling bad habits right now. I just want to have a little fun with him right now. Just break the ice a bit, buddy. Right? We don't need to be any serious right now, huh? Huh? Let's see if he'll do that thing with his head. Oh, this feels good. Oh, jeez, it feels no.
It's like Maggie. Can't believe how much he acts like Maggie in some ways.
Oh, oh, feels so good, huh, buddy? Oh, what was it? What was it? Want some more? Oh, no. Right there. Oh.
Can you do him to do that thing where he hugs you? Can you get him to do that?
I don't know.
Try it.
I don't know if they will. Yeah, buddy. What are you wanting? Oh my goodness, that feels so good. Oh! Do I get it from the side so you can see his head?
Ooh.
Oh, I feel
His eye is so bright right now.
Oh, that is perfect right there. Let's try the other side, okay, honey? You feel like this one too. Oh, that one's good too. Here, come on. I'm still scratching. Oh, does that one feel good too? Oh.
You like that, don't you?
You are something else. So. Yeah. Look at all the dirt I scratched on. Just more. Oh. Oh, that feels so good. The sweet spot's right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Oh.
Oh goodness.
Oh, right there, right there, right there. Oh, that feels so good. That's what I feel like when I get my feet rubbed. Oh, is that one good too? He is certainly a character. Aren't you, buddy? Yeah. Will you take this one too? Okay, I'm done. The king is done. The chicken. Looking for a student now? He like
Biting my hair, actually.
he's biting your hair.
I have to keep that so I can look presentable for work.
Why would you ever want to do that?
Yeah, no kidding.
I think you're gonna roll again. Oh.
Maybe the spot you scratched, that's the spot he's trying to scratch. Bless you.
Oh, you feel better now?